The mourners wail and cry. They can't believe what happened to Chala Dinka. Eyewitnesses say the teacher in this Ethiopian town was shot in the back by soldiers during a recent demonstration. He went to charge his phones. They shot from behind and he tried to run away. He didn't throw stones or anything. He's a teacher. My son died without doing anything wrong. Protesters say his death is not an isolated case. Human rights workers say government troops have shot and killed dozens during protests recently. So far, the government has acknowledged only 5 deaths. At issue is farmland outside the capital, Addis Ababa. Locals are angry over government plans to build a new business district there. Opponents say the development will uproot thousands of people without offering proper compensation or resettlement. How can we live without our land? Can you? Can our children live without land? If we don't have our own land, we must rent it from those who do, but can't work on it themselves. But if there is no land to farm, how can we sustain our own lives? Since the government announced its plans, there have been protests throughout the country's most populous areas. Officials have described the protesters as terrorists controlled by foreign interests. But the government's crackdown has so far done little to stop people from raising their voices.